Hey everybody, Kevin here, and today I'm bringing you one of those videos I've been promising you for a while. A few weeks ago I did a video on different ways to shower and stay clean when you're on the road, and in that video I told you I was going to bring you 2 videos of systems that you could make to carry with you. This is the first one. It's going to be a little pump-up shower. You're going to be able to use this in any vehicle that you have. So we're going to show you the parts you need to make it. And also we're going to test it, and we're going to find out how long of a shower you will actually get out of this. So let's get to it. Okay, our basic little pump-up shower is going to be based around a standard garden sprayer. Now these usually come in 1 and 2 gallon versions. This is a 2-gallon size container. The problem is, if you've used one of these little cheap garden sprayers, it has a hose this big and a really cheap handle, so we don't want that. What we want to do is put a better system on it for showering. And so you have something you can control. Basically, we're going to use a dish sprayer, which will give us a nice long hose. And you're going to need a way to connect these together. Basically, you're going to have your shower, and you're going to have this nice little sprayer head. So as far as using this, you're going to have a pressure relief that's built into these. So you want to make sure it's set properly. When you're done with it, if you still have water in it, you want to release the pressure off of it so nothing leaks out all over your van. We do have this one pretty much full, and we're going to pull it out, and we're going to pump it a few times and pressurize it. And with that, we can have a shower. Now, of course, as far as heating this thing up, it's basically going to be a matter of just setting it outside for a few hours, letting the sun hit it. It'll absorb the heat. It'll get nice and steamy hot if it's a hot shower that you desire. On a hot day, you may want a cool shower. It can do that too. And what we want to do here now is test it and see how long this lasts, because this is a question that everyone's going to have, and I've never actually done this before. I know that it's worked well for us. I know I can generally have a shower on a little bit under a gallon of water. Somebody with more hair than I have, you know, it may take them a gallon and a half or so, but there's never been a problem with running out of water. But we'll test it and find out exactly how long this is going to last. And we have a handy dandy little stopwatch application on our phone, so we're going to see how long this lasts. Our water level is right here at this point. We are about 35 seconds into it. 1 minute. It's actually going to last longer than I thought it would.
You could probably get a 4-minute shower out of this thing.
Our water level started here. We're down to here now. We are past the 1.5 minute mark. 2 minutes and 30 seconds, our water level is down to here. We started here, so that is about halfway. So we should end up close to 5 minutes. And of course, you would be using this for a few seconds. You know, you can let go of it while you're lathering up, whatever, and stretch this out even further. That seems about right, because I could have a, like I said, a quick couple of minute shower and, you know, wet, let go of it, lather myself up, rinse off, and use less than a gallon of water.
You can wash your hair about that much too.
And yeah, you hair people require a little more.
Yeah, but I mean, you don't use the whole 2 gallons to wash your hair.
Close it in on 3.5 minutes. Still have water at this level. 4 minutes, 4.5. Water level here. So we're getting close to the bottom now. Water's coming out here about the same. We are past the 5 minute mark now. We're about to reach the bottom, so this is going to take us down to about 5.5 minutes from 2 gallons of water. And here is what we end up with. Again, this is with something that you can make for roughly $40 or less. Doesn't take up very much space. You can use it in any vehicle. It doesn't matter if it's a van. It doesn't matter if you're traveling in a car, an SUV, or a truck camper. Even though I have a little better system in the larger van that I have, I still end up taking this a lot. As a matter of fact, I did on the last trip too, just because I was in a place that was kind of hot, and I didn't want to have to take the time to rig up the big shower, which you'll see in an upcoming video. And just to rinse off quick after going out for a hike or something, I could yank this out, pump it up, and rinse off really quick. So one of these is going to be useful for just about anyone. Again, the exact parts that I use to make this will be linked down in the description. So, unseen guest person, give us a lady's perspective of using this system since you have used it.
It works really well, and you can wash your hair in less than a gallon of water and take a shower, and it works. It's easy.
We're happy being in the middle of nowhere.
Absolutely.
Being able to have
a shower,
a warm shower by sitting this in the sun.
Absolutely.
So
and if you have melted ice in your cooler, just pour your melted ice water in that, set it outside, let it warm up with the sun, and there's your water.
And without refilling this, I think most times we both ended up being able to, I could have a quick shower with it, and you still had enough to...
Oh yeah, there was still a lot left, yeah.
Do yours and do your hair and everything. So.
Yeah.
So short version, you would recommend this
for
anyone with hair?
Yes, and anyone without hair.
There you go. In an upcoming video, we'll talk about the second type of system that I use, that I put into the larger van. If you have any type of water pump, if it came with a built-in sink of some type, you should have a water pump. Or if you put some type of little electric water pump in there, then the second system I'm going to show you in the other video will work for that, and it's going to be inexpensive also. So hopefully this helped you guys out. Of course, there's going to be more how-to videos and stuff coming. If you're wondering what to watch next, look down in the description, down in the comments. You'll see links to other videos that we've done, and we'll see you soon.